Hi, my name's Scott with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. We're going to do a video walkthrough of our 2024 Yamaha 222 Sport E. As you can see, this is a center console boat, 22 feet, with the nice hard top with the cool blue accent underneath. And then you have the speakers up on the hard top. Beautiful boat. So we're doing an outside shot of this. Of course, Yamaha boats are unique with their nice hangout area back here. Room for a table, seating, and hanging out. And then we're going to go inside the boat and show you the rest. Welcome to the inside of the boat. I'd like to start off with the front of this boat. It has some really great things about it. One, it has a lot of seating, backrest, nice bench seating, but this really cool removable table, but it's a nice big table. Eat, play cards on. It's a really cool feature about this boat, and you got cup holders and speakers, so great area to hang out. Then of course you got the nice little jump seat right here to sit facing forward. Cool little spot. Tons of storage in this boat. All this is storage for your fish tackle, rod holders, so this boat has everything. Lots of storage underneath the helm. So coming around the helm, you got some more vertical rod holders. And then we'll take you through the helm. So you got the nice big Simrad fish finder, stereo, phone charger, all your controls right here. Very comfortable leaning post that has a pretty cool feature. You can flip it this way and hop up here on the back side. You can sit here with your feet up and fish off the back of the boat right next to your bait tank or live well. So really cool. Come on out to MarineMax in Greenville and check out this Yamaha 222 Sport, and we'll have it on our website. It'll be in our showroom, or you give us a call at 864-236-9005.